The real growth of a country lies in the heart, body, mind and soul of young men and women, said Sir C.V. Raman. A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all present over here. It's my great pleasure to have such a beautiful audience over here. I once again warmly welcome you all on behalf of the esteemed principal, Mrs. Hemlata ma'am, teachers and whole school family on this auspicious event to celebrate National Science Day and honor Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. So, thank you once again all of you for giving your precious and prized time. Notably, India has received various scientists have got the global recognition worldwide for their work. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was one of those noble men. During one long sea journey to Europe, Sir C.V. Raman, who was a young physicist, he observed that the color of the sea water was having a darker blue shade. He performed various experiments and finally got the result in the form of Raman effect. Raman effect is the scattering of light through solids, liquids and gases. For his invention, Sir Raman was awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1930. Therefore, the Government of India declared 28th February as National Science Day from the year 1999. We begin the program with seeking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, for which I will request Vishal sir to come and do the Saraswati Vandana.
Sarva Mangal Mangalle.
Join your hand, children.
Shive Sarvarth Sadhike Sharanye Trayambike Gauri Narayani Namastute Narayani Namastute.
Thank you, Vishal sir. The aim of celebrating National Science Day is to spread the awareness among the people of India about the science and technology in everyday life. Every year, National Science Day is celebrated with a particular theme. The theme of this year for celebration of National Science Day is Integrated Approach of Science as Technology for Sustainable Future. Now, today our school has organized a science quiz competition to celebrate the National Science Day. Here we have 5 teams who are the members from class 6, 7th and 8th. The names of the team have been given on the names of the eminent Indian scientists. The first team is Team C.V. Raman. The second team is Team Dr. Homi Bhabha. Third team is Team Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fifth team is Team Vikram Sarabhai. And fifth team is Team J.C. Bose. So I will now request each team to give their introduction. So we'll start with our first team, Team C.V. Raman. Team members, please give your introduction one by one.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nishapan Kavitale from grade 8 and I am going to represent the team C.V. Raman.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tejaswini Paramkirpan and I am from class 7. I am the member of Team C.V. Raman.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mahima Jaiswal from grade 6. I am from the team C.V. Raman.
Thank you, Team C.V. Raman. Now our second team is Team Dr. Homi Bhabha. Team members, please introduce yourself one by one.
I am Atharva Borkar from class 8 and I am representing team Dr. Homi Bhabha.
My name is Shantara Yuria and I am from 7th B and I am belonging to team Dr. Homi Bhabha.
My name is Lesha Padole and I am from 6th B Satpura. I am from Dr. Homi Bhabha team.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nishil Belekar. I am from grade 8 and I am representing team APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arya Jimkate from grade 7 and I am representing team APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
Good morning all everyone, and my name is Devanshi Balkote and I am representing Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
you, Team APJ. Now, Team Vikram Sarabhai will introduce themselves.
I am Yash Dimankere from class 8. I am representing my team, Vikram Sarabhai.
My name is Om Gawane and I am from grade 7. I am representing team Vikram Sarabhai.
Good morning. My name is Janvi Nipalkar. I am from grade 6 and I belong from team Vikram Sarabhai.
Thank you, Team Vikram Sarabhai. Now, our fifth team is Team JC Bose. So, please, team members, introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Vipul Shinde and I am from grade 8. I belong to Jagdish Chandra Bose.
Good morning everyone. My name is Saili Rathod and I am from grade 7. I am representing team Jagdish Chandra Bose.
Good morning everyone. My name is Divyanshu Dubey. I am from grade 6. I am representing the team JC Bose.
Thank you, Team JC Bose. So, we have a wonderful team over here and I wish all the best. On this note, we have our beloved Honorable Director Ma'am, Kamath Ma'am. I will ask Swanandi to do the floral welcome for Ma'am. Swanandi. Thank you, ma'am, for being present over here with us on this remarkable day. Now I will call Vaishnavi to welcome our beloved principal, ma'am, Mrs. Hemlata ma'am. Thank you, Hemlata ma'am, for your guidance and support. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we will start with the quiz competition. The quiz has got 4 rounds and instructions will be given prior to every round. I hand over the mic to Manisha ma'am to start for the first round.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. This is the first round and this round is based on the general science. Okay, the questions will be based on general science and 2 questions will be asked to each team. So question 1 for team CV Raman is, which is the largest bone in the human body? Your time starts now, it will be 30 seconds. Which is the largest bone in the human body?
A human body is the femur bone.
Yes, correct answer. Very good, team A. Team Dr. Homi Baba, the question for you is, name the largest gland in the human body. Yes, very good, correct answer. Team APJ Abdul Kalam, the question for you is, goiter is caused due to deficiency of which particular nutrient?
Ma'am, iodine.
Yes, very good. Team Vikram Sarabhai, the question for you is, national tree of India is?
Banyan tree.
Very good, correct answer. Team JC Bose, the question for you is, name the pigment which imparts red color to the blood.
Hemoglobin.
Yes, very good. All the teams had given correct answer for their first question, so a huge clap for all of them.
Yes, Team Raman, after the end of the first round, the score is 15. Team Dr. Homi Bhabha, the score is 10 marks. Team Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the score is again 10 marks. And Team Vikram Sarabhai, 10 marks again. And Team JC Bose, 10 marks. So this is the, as you have seen that we have ended with the first round. Now it's the time for the second round. This round is a buzzer round. There will be visuals there on the screen, as you people can see over here. We are having the projector screen and you are going to see the visual. I'll be putting up the question. The question is also written there on the screen only. So this is a buzzer round. Make sure that you are going to be as quick as you people can, okay, in order to go those good marks in this particular round. So let's have a look of the very first visual. Where did this natural disaster occur? Team JC Bose?
Uttarakhand.
That's the right answer. Now the second visual. Name the scientist. Wait, I didn't read the question, but you have blow the whistle now. Okay, fine. J.C. Bose will get the chance.
Stephen Hawking.
That's very correct. That's very correct. He's the best known for the discovery that black holes emits radiation. Name the scientist shown in the picture who is the best known for his discovery that black holes emit radiation. And the answer is Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking. Okay? So you all must be aware of black holes. You must have heard about that. He's the one who has, given this that black holes emits radiation in theory. And then later on, you know that a black hole was, the actual pic of the black hole was taken. Yes, and it was revealed by NASA. You all know that. So it was found correct, right? So here we have come to an end of the visual round. Now I would like to call Charulata ma'am so that she can conduct the next round for you all. Thank you.
So here, Team Raman got 10 points. Bhabha 0 points in this round. Team Kalam is leading with the 50 points. So give them a big round of applause. The Sarabhai team is at the 10 points, whereas the Bose team is at the 20 points. So Team Kalam is at the top position, that is 50 points.
Good morning all of you. Now it's third round, which is based on inventions. Okay? One scientific invention can change the world forever. Okay? So now I'm going to ask you 2 questions to each group. Okay? So all of you are ready now? Yes? First question is for Team C.V. Raman. Who is the missile man of India? APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer. Now next question is for second team, Dr. Homi Bhabha. Okay? Name the scientist who had discovered magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current.
Hans Christian Ørsted.
Correct answer. Now next team, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is the father of vaccination? Father of vaccination. Edward Jenner. Correct answer. Good. Next question is for Vikram Sarabhai. Name the Indian scientist who initiated space research and developed nuclear power in India. He is also called father of Indian space. Pass? Okay, next team.
Vikram Sarabhai.
Yes, very correct. You belong to the same team. Yes? So next question is for C.V. Raman. Sorry, J.C. Bose. What is invented by Charles Babbage?
Computer.
Very good. Now next question is for Team C.V. Raman. Which scientist has discovered human circulatory system?
William Harvey.
Yes, right answer. Now again you have last round. You can cover in that round. It is rapid fire round. So I would like to call Asavri Joshi ma'am.
So good morning, respected ma'am and my dear children. And now as Charulata ma'am has said, all the 3 rounds are completed and this is the last round, which is a rapid fire round. And here you can score and make your team win. Yeah? So first of all, I want to give you the instructions of this round. Each question will be given a same duration and one after another the question will be asked to particular one team. This is not a passing round. You cannot pass the question from one to the another. Only when the question is asked to your team, if he knows, you will give the quick answer by holding a mic near mouth. Okay? And if you don't know, you should say next or pass. Better you can say the pass. So children, are you ready? Shall we start? So take a long breath Here we go. So first the question for the team first, that is the Raman team. Which acid is found in the lemon?
Citric acid.
Organ that purifies the blood in the human body?
Kidney.
Right? Name the mirror which shows lateral inversion of light. Name the mirror.
Plane mirror.
Correct. What is measured by the Richter scale? What is measured by the Richter scale? Quick. Correct. So out of 7 you have given 4 correct answers. So 4 marks. So here the question I am asking to the audience side. What is the lifespan of RBCs? Anyone?
Ma'am, 3 months.
3 months.
120 days.
120 days. Ooh. It's a correct. Team C. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Acid present in the ant sting. The acid which is present in the ant sting.
Ma'am.
Formic acid. Correct. What is full form of AIDS? AIDS. What is the full form of AIDS? AIDS. AIDS. Huh? No? Say pass. Name the galaxy to which our planet Earth belongs.
Milky Way galaxy.
Correct. What is the other name of copper sulfate?
Time up, ma'am. Time up.
So out of 6 questions, 2 correct answers. So shall we start? First question. This is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1.
Very.
Common name of sodium carbonate.
Baking soda.
Correct. Very is also correct. What is the full form of DNA?
Diribonucleic acid.
Correct. What is the unit of sound level? In which unit it is expressed? Sound level is expressed by which unit? Decibel. Correct. Ornithology is the scientific study of? Ornithology is the scientific study of?
Pass.
Team Raman has scored 4 points. Team Bhabha scored 2 points. Team Kalam has scored here 3 points. Sarabhai has scored 2 points. And Team Bose scored 3 points again here. So which team is leading here? I think again the Team Raman has scored the maximum points here, that is of 4 points. So huge round of applause for Team Raman again. Very huge round of applause.
At the end of the quiz, the final scores, as it is seen here, Bose, Team Bose, Sarabhai, Team Sarabhai with 22. Then we have Baba team with 32. Then Raman team with 49. And the last 2 leading, that is Bose with 63. And the final leading team is Kalam team with 73. Congratulations all the participants.